This is our second video of the unit over the law of supply. The first question we need to address is, what is supply? And no, we're not talking about office supplies or your secret supply of guns or zoo animals, because those were an option here. No, the economic definition of supply refers to the amount of goods and services a business is willing to produce and deliver to a particular market. For example, at any given time, there's a certain number of businesses that are willing to produce a certain number of rockets or ice cream cones to deliver to those particular markets. So what factor has the greatest impact on how many rockets or ice cream cones, or any other product for that matter, are produced and provided to those markets? The answer again, and of course, is price. Let's say a rocket in the marketplace goes for about $100,000. How many rockets are going to be produced and provided to this market at this price? The answer is maybe not so many, because rockets are really expensive to build and there wouldn't be a whole lot of profit there. Now let's say because of that last low price, a lot of people want the rockets, and so that demand pushes the price up to $250,000. Will businesses produce more or fewer rockets to be provided to this market? The answer is more, because at these higher prices, more businesses will find it profitable to produce and deliver rockets to the market. For another example, let's look at the market for ice cream cones. If the market determines the price is $4, businesses are going to rush to produce more ice cream cones because that's an astronomical price for an ice cream cone and profits will be high. However, consumers are going to respond by buying fewer ice cream cones, and so the price drops to $2. Will businesses produce more or fewer ice cream cones to deliver to the market? The answer is fewer, because businesses will have fewer profits for the production of ice cream cones, and so they'll get out of the market. This is the law of supply that states that when prices rise, the quantity supplied will go up because profits will be high. And as prices fall, the quantity supplied will go down because profits will go down. Now let's take a look at this in graphical format. On the y-axis we have the price of pizza, and on the x-axis we have the quantity of pizza. We see as the price of pizza rises, the quantity supplied of pizza goes up as well. In other words, an upward sloping supply curve represents the law of supply. Now let's dig in a little deeper into this same graph. Let's say the price of pizza starts at 50 cents a slice. We dash that over and dash it down, and we can see that we supply 2 slices of pizza at that price. But for whatever reason, let's say the price goes up to $1.50. With this higher price, businesses are going to produce more. So if we dash over from $1.50 until we intersect with the supply curve and dash down, we can see that we now produce and supply 8 slices of pizza to the pizza market. That's the law of supply. In our next video, we'll look at the interaction between supply and demand curves and how that determines price. But for now, we'll leave it at that. Thank you for your attention. If you want to go back through the video to make sure that you understand these 3 concepts: first, what is supply? Second, what is the law of supply? And third, what does the law of supply look like in graphical format? Then do so. You're going to need that information for your pods tomorrow.